So the breaking news today is DJI's new FPV drone system has been leaked to the public as far as prices and release dates. Also, somebody has posted a picture where you can see the FPV Fly More combo is for sale on a shelf in an undisclosed location. These pictures and most of the pictures you'll see here were posted on Twitter by the same account. In this picture you can see that the new FPV drone comes with a different colored shell you can put on it. Now, I'm not normally an FPV guy, but this new drone looks like it could be very interesting for those of us into drones that aren't interested in learning how to build them. Nonetheless, this probably is not going to be a drone for normal FPV guys. It looks like it's coming with a single axis gimbal camera and 6-inch props. Also, the battery on this thing looks like it could be huge. So I get a lot of my drone information from Drone XL and Drone DJ. And it appears that the latest news is Amazon and the Netherlands have leaked the retail prices of this drone. For just the drone, one battery and a controller, it looks like it's 730 euros or 886 US dollars. Now for the Fly More combo, which will come with 3 batteries, the drone, the goggles, the controller, and probably a case, it's looking like it's running at 1,650 euros or 2,000 US dollars. Considering the FPV goggles are $569 by themselves, that doesn't sound like too bad of a price. Once released in the US, these prices might be more competitive than that. This may or may not be leaked footage from the drone. And here's a better look at that battery. So I've seen 2 possible release dates, either February 28th or March 2nd. Also, this video shows supposedly the drone in action, and as you can see, when the video slows down, there's a clip of the new FPV drone down in the left-hand corner. So I don't know if I'm going to get this drone. It does look pretty cool, but let me know in the comments if you guys are going to get it. As always, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Have a good one.